Hey, welcome back. If you're here, I assume you're here for tips and tricks on how to create your own beard care line and how to introduce that into the industry. Welcome to Ruddy Made Grooming. I'm Jimmy Atkins. This is a special series we call Ruddy Made, where I help you figure out the best ways to start and sustain a beard care company. And today, we're going to figure out how you get oil out of this into this. Now, if you're anything like me, you started very small. We call it small batch for a reason, and there are so many different ways. I know some of you are probably thinking, just pour it into the bottle, Jimmy. Here's the thing. When it comes to things like beard oils, liquid versions of balms and butters before they harden and set up inside of a container, there is just always this propensity for oil to create a massive mess. And not only is that something that you have to clean up and it's inefficient, but it's also costly because the stuff that we use to create our premium beard care products, it is not cheap. So, with that said, I've done anything you can imagine, from pouring out of this kind of little, this measuring cup that's got a little lip here, and trying my hardest to have the steadiest hand in the world, which, by the way, I do not have. I've tried pouring into bottles this way, always made a massive mess for me. I've even gone so far as to use things like ketchup bottles or squeeze bottles like this that have a nozzle, and yet when I pour with these, I still end up having a drip down the side of the bottle. I always have to have some kind of paper towel or just a regular towel to wipe up messes, and it always hurts my heart to realize that I am constantly losing product, even if it's a tiny bit at a time. Over that amount of time, the amount of product that I've lost could possibly be a full container for someone else that I could sell. So with that said, I have found a tool that I believe is going to be incredibly useful to you. I found a tool through talking to some fellow makers who are friends of mine, mentors in business, folks who absolutely want to see me win just like I want to see you win. And one of the very best starter tools that every beard care company needs, and I mean like needs last week, is simply this: a pancake batter filler. It's a cone that is spring-loaded with this really great thumb handle, so you can hold on to a full cone of product. You push down on this spring-loaded handle, and I don't know if you could see inside there, but there's a gasket at the very center and the bottom of the cone. This arm, this lever, pulls on a spring that pulls this entire arm up, releasing the gasket from the spout. And that spout makes a beautiful, beautiful, even stream of product. Now, I've used this for everything that is in a liquid form. So beard oils, check. It fits very well right into the mouth of a beard oil bottle. Your typical 1 ounce or 30 ml beard oil bottle. It fits there. I pull it up just a little bit to let air escape, but super, super easy. It obviously will work in tins for balms or jars, containers for butters while they're in the liquid phase before they begin cooling. This guy right here has saved me. I know it saved me hundreds of dollars in product cleanup alone, and it's just made the timing for creating product easier. I'm able to make a lot more product in a lot less time. That is a win-win for any business. You get to create inventory that you then sell, and you get to utilize your time creating new inventory or new products down the line, instead of spending all your time cleaning up and wondering how you can create products without spilling everything. One thing that I absolutely love about this, other than just everything I've mentioned already, is this really rad stainless steel cradle. if you get into a spot where you've accidentally knocked over some bottles, or you have to leave for a second to go get it, like a spatula, to make sure you're getting all the good stuff off the sides in here, you can always put it in the cradle here and it stays pretty level. Now, a full one of these guys this size on Amazon will run you anywhere between $20 and $25, just depending on which carrier you're going through. And I have easily filled 32 to maybe, if it's really filled to the brim, which I don't really suggest filling it to the very top, but if you fill it all the way to the top, I believe you can get 40 bottles of 1 ounce beard oil poured out through this thing. It's amazing. It has saved me time, me money. It saved me everything. and if you're looking for a quick, efficient, and affordable way for you to pour your product into containers without losing any of that good stuff that you've put in as a business, this pancake filler is the way to go. I'll put the link to the specific one that I purchased in the description below, and you, by buying that, you're also throwing a little kickback to me as an Amazon associate. So I hope that this helps. I hope that this helps you create more. And if you don't mind, share some of the things on Instagram that you're creating with the hashtag Ruddy Made. Heck, share it on Facebook, share it here on YouTube, share it anywhere you want. And in the comments below, let me know if you've already tried something like this, or if not, what is another way that you have been able to pour product that has not been messy? If you've found something that's other than this, I want to know about it. So let me know. You guys take care, have a great day, and remember this. Reach out to me with any questions you have. If I can help, I'd love to. And you're not ready till you're ready. Bye-bye. Because you are looking for tips and tricks on how to start. Hang on, we'll be right back. And one of the very, very best starter tools that I can even imagine telling you about. The one knocked over, you've accidentally, and you're also a lot, a lot, a lot, a lot, a lot, a lot.